Hey guys, welcome back to Technics Arena, your code channel for all things tech. In this video, I'll start with an introduction to Python and its importance in data science. We'll discuss the basics of Python programming such as variables, data types, loops, and functions. We'll then cover some advanced concepts such as object-oriented programming, decorators, generators, and many more. And finally, we'll talk about some of the latest trends in data science. So, let's go. Python is one of the most popular programming languages used in data science. It is an open source language that is easy to learn and has a large community of developers. Python has a wide range of libraries and tools that make it an ideal choice for data science. Let's start with the basic part, which includes variables, data types, loops, and functions. Variables are used to store data in Python. They are created by assigning a value to a name. Variables can store different types of data such as numbers, strings, and lists. Python has several built-in data types such as integer, float, string, list, tuple, and dictionary. Each data type has its own set of operations that can be performed on it. Loops are used to repeat a block of code multiple times. There are two types of loops in Python, for loops and while loops. Functions are used to group a set of related statements together that perform a specific task. Functions help to make code more modular and reusable. Once your basics are clear, you can then move to the advanced concepts. Let's talk about some of the advanced concepts in Python. When we talk about advanced concepts, object-oriented programming concepts are obvious. Object-oriented programming is a programming paradigm that uses objects to represent real-world entities. In Python, everything is an object. OOP helps to make code more modular, reusable, and easier to maintain. Decorators are used to modify the behavior of functions or classes without changing their source code. Decorators are a powerful feature of Python that can be used to add functionality to existing code. Generators are used to create iterators in Python. They are similar to functions but use the yield keyword instead of return. If you have a good understanding of these concepts, then it's a plus point. Else, this is not mandatory if your main goal is to build a career in data science. But if you are thinking to build a career in development field, then it is a must. Python libraries like NumPy and Pandas are the best tools in Python for data manipulation. NumPy is a library for Python programming language that provides support for large arrays and matrices of numerical data. NumPy provides fast mathematical operations over arrays. Pandas is a library for Python programming language that provides support for data manipulation and analysis. Pandas provide fast and efficient operations over large datasets. Data visualization is a very important part in data science. For data visualization, there are tools available in market like Tableau or Power BI, where no coding is required. Other than these tools, data scientists also use Python libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn. Matplotlib is a library for Python programming language that provides support for creating static, animated, and interactive visualizations in Python. Seaborn is a library for Python programming language that provides support for creating statistical graphics in Python. Machine learning is another important part of data science. Here, you need to have a solid understanding of some advanced concepts like linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, and random forests. Linear regression is a machine learning algorithm used to predict continuous values based on input features. Linear regression works by finding the line of best fit through the data points. Logistic regression is a machine learning algorithm used to predict binary outcomes based on input features. Logistic regression works by finding the line of best fit through the data points. Decision trees are the machine learning algorithms used for classification and regression analysis. Decision trees work by recursively splitting the dataset into smaller subsets based on the most significant feature. Random forests are machine learning algorithms used for classification and regression analysis. Random forests work by creating multiple decision trees and combining their results. Here is a good to have topic such as neural networks in deep learning. Neural networks are machine learning algorithms inspired by the structure of human brain. Neural networks can be used for both supervised and unsupervised learning tasks. Let's discuss some of the latest trends in data science like NLP, computer vision, and big data. Natural language processing or NLP is a field of study focused on making computers understand human language. NLP can be used for tasks such as sentiment analysis, text classification, and machine translation. Computer vision is a field of study focused on making computers understand visual information from the world around them. Computer vision can be used for tasks such as object detection, image segmentation, and facial recognition. Big data refers to datasets that are too large or complex for traditional data processing tools to handle. Big data requires specialized tools such as Hadoop or Spark to process and analyze. Python is an essential tool in the field of data science due to its simplicity, versatility, and wide range of libraries and tools available. In this video, we covered topics from basic to advanced concepts of Python programming. We also talked about machine learning and deep learning concepts. And finally, we discussed some latest trends in data science such as natural language processing, computer vision, and big data. That's all for today's video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Techness Arena for more informative insights. And I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.